Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Nepali Khaja recipe which is churako pulao or beaten rice pulao. This is really easy to prepare, so let's get started with the ingredients. To prepare a beaten rice pulao, I have one small size carrot sliced and potato, and I have taken half cup of cauliflower. And next I have some green chili sliced, and I have 1 cup of beaten rice which I have washed, and I have 1 small size onion sliced, and next I have 1 medium size chopped tomato, and I have half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. For the masala, I have taken half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of mix of cumin and coriander powder, salt as per the taste, half teaspoon of red chili powder, and I have half tablespoon of garam masala powder. I also have 1/3 cup peanuts. It will enhance the taste of pulao. To prepare this, in a pan I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil, and next I'm gonna add onion sliced and saute the onion for 30 seconds, and then add peanuts and green chilies. Saute this for 1 minute. After 1 minute, I'm gonna add all these vegetables. Then add turmeric powder and salt and mix them well. Cover this and in a low flame cook this for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, the potato has cooked. I'm gonna add this ginger and garlic paste. Then next add all this masala and add tomato and give it a good mix. Then again cover this and cook this for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm gonna add this washed chura or beaten rice and mix it well. Now our churako pulao or beaten rice pulao is ready to be served. I hope you guys like the recipe. If you like the recipe, please give me your feedback, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.